Hello everybody, this is my great-grandfather's knife before he passed away. Now it's mine. This was his hunting pocket knife. He had many other knives, but he's going to pass that on to my other relatives. So yeah, going to be showing you all three blades, what it's made out of, and such. Alright, so the grip is ivory. Yeah, grip's ivory. There are 3 points connecting it, as shown, like right here. Alright, there are 3 blades. Two of them are similar, but one of them is the main one. Today I'll be showing you all 3. Now these blades usually require you to have some nail, but this one's a little easy. So as you can see, I get the main blade out without injuring myself. It's very important that I didn't, because this part of the blade, while it's very old, my great-grandpa maintained this, and it's very, very sharp. Yeah. So, as you know, with the cutting, it can be used in a cutting motion, a stabbing motion. But I think this could mostly be used to get you out of a tight spot. And it could probably be used as, well, yeah, basically, just as to get out of a tight jam, and for the self-defense purposes. I don't think I'd ever get blood on this, though. It's a very, very cherished relic. So, anyways, showing you the pellet blade right here. I think these can be taken out at the same time. Hang on. No, they can't. You'd put this one back, and here I'm going to show you. This is the other blade. Pretty crude, isn't it? It's, well, as you can see, another blade. And I think that if you take this one, yeah. Oh, no. Oh, okay. So I'm going to show you all 3 of them. These 2 are the same. They're not totally the same length, but as you can see, they can be kind of used as double-sided defense, like a slashing motion and then a stabbing motion, all in one motion. So, I think these blades can be taken out all at once. I didn't want to try earlier. And now I can see why you shouldn't put them out all at once. Gives you a nasty little cut. Although, this is what it would look like. This has been Fall Night 3862 showing you my great-grandpa's hunting knife.